My name is Patrick Donovan from Savannah's Nooks and Crannies, and this station is about one thing. What is it like to live in Savannah, eat in Savannah, play in Savannah, buy a home, sell a home, get involved in the local politics? That is what this channel is all about. Savannah is one of the most unique places in the country. Whether you already live here, you're thinking about moving here, or you're just coming to visit, this channel is built to help you experience Savannah in a real local way. We have the history, the food, the neighborhoods, the beaches, the small businesses, the military community, the growth, and all the little hidden gems that make this place special. Our goal is to show you the Savannah that you don't always see in the brochures. You'll see Tony, who joins me for a lot of our local restaurant videos, food reviews, and things to do videos around Savannah. The places that locals actually go, and everything going in and around the community. But we also want locals to discover new places they may have driven past 100 times and never stop. And you'll see Brandon, who co-hosts our Market Sip show with me, where we talk about real estate, market updates, community issues, local politics, and the things that are affecting people who live here. You'll see my son Thaddeus, who does our Savannah weather reports and helps keep people updated on what's happening day to day. You may also see my wife, Lindsay, Tony's wife, Lauren, and our family pop up from time to time. So now I'm also a real estate agent, so if you're looking to buy a home in Savannah, sell a home in Savannah, or just watching the market, that's also a big part of what we do here. We do market reports, we talk about what's happening with home prices, inventory, interest rates, new construction, and local trends. We also do house walkthroughs, including new construction homes, so you can actually see what different neighborhoods and homes look like. My goal is to give you honest information so you can make accurate decisions when you're buying or selling a home. So make sure you're subscribed to Savannah's Nooks and Crannies. Follow along as we explore the city and meet the people that make it so special and show you what it's actually like to live here. We've got you covered here on Savannah's Nooks and Crannies.